Oh yeah.
Yeah, and we're up here on.
Oh yeah. So he went that way, right?
We'll show you.
Excellent.
See the feeder right there?
Yep.
He just took off right down that hill. There's
Okay.
there over there.
Okay.
And that road runs parallel with this ridge top right here.
Okay. Take the drone over there, let it smell the hair, get a scent. No, just kidding. Just kidding. That would be pretty cool though, right?
Yeah. Go find it, boy.
I'm gonna patent that.
Home point updated. Check map to confirm.
Oh no! You have that big box and you can't keep your light on.
Yeah.
Oh, you gotta dig a deeper hole or something. What is this?
That'd be crazy right there.
Wouldn't it? I don't think it is. I think it's something small. Wabbit. Okay. Hmm? I think it was potentially retaining the ones that it had. Yeah, a little ether.
He's over here on Camp Task in a whale somewhere.
Sister posted on it. In a whale or pond or the lake or power line.
Oh, I think I got him. Maybe. It's hard to tell. That's a.
Come on now, don't be teasing.
I gotta get lower.
Definitely laying down.
It looked like the side of a deer, doesn't it?
Uh-oh.
Let me I don't know what's going on.
Is it you still? Oh, he's moving.
Oh.
What is that? That deer is all stretched out, but no, I think that's horns. Let's see if he'll move his head. I think that's a horn right there. Yeah.
That's him.
It's gotta be him.
See his feet folded back.
Yep.
Dude, he came right here and went right to it. That's crazy.
I'm gonna try to spin around maybe from like 180 degrees and see if I can get.
Is he still alive?
He's still alive, yeah.
Oh, look at here, boys. I found him. That is him.
Yep, I can see the blood.
He's hurt.
Yeah, he's trying to get up. He's trying to get up right now.
Yeah, he's wounded. Where you at with him, brother?
Yep.
Where you at with it?
Right here.
We're gonna have to let him die.
Yeah.
You don't want to push him.
I wish you just attached a gun to him.
Yeah, he looks. I'm gonna get up a little bit. I don't wanna push him. Do this real quick.
Well, we found him.
Huh?
What elevation are you at?
I'm at -64 right now.
I gotta just let him die.
You wanna jump in there and get some footage? Get some on the screen? All right, I'm gonna get up a little bit.
I'm gonna back up as you come up. I'll just watch you up.
Yep. I'm gonna go ahead and mark him before I move out too far. Okay. Yeah, he was struggling. He was struggling even to get that leg under him.
like him.
I'm going further south. I'm just gonna hang out for a minute till we give him a little bit.
Yeah, I'm north.
Good stuff, Bradley. I'm still searching for satellites.
Got him. Got him.
Yeah, I was on him too, yeah.
You own him?
Yeah, he's dead, dude.
Yep. He's already been eaten into.
How do you know that? He has him in. I'm going to avoid him. I'm close to you right now, Bradley. I'm coming lower than you.
How far is it?
I'm at 7 feet. Where are you at?
3, 2.
Okay.
Is he close by or way back
No,
there?
he's right there where we are.
The same?
He is,
No.
he's south. He moved.
South.
Yeah, he's moved about 200 feet.
I'm at negative 41 right now, Brad.
So
Okay.
he probably died last night and you still pick it up.
Yeah, I see you. Yep. Still hot as he could be. So that's what he looks like. He stands out really nice. And I was at 100 feet, and we're up on this mountain, and that drops probably 200 feet. Okay. The actual altitude. That's why it looks like it says I'm at negative 6 feet, but it looks like I'm at 150.
God, he's pouring everywhere, ain't he?
Yep.
He's good for the mountain.
He'll be a nice light drag. Yep.
That's like perfect timing, dude.
Boom.
Dude, how do y'all just... He's dead, though.
He got him. That's awesome. Yeah. Good job, dude.
Hey, buddy.
Right now.
Are you? Okay. All right. Let me check.
Oh, yeah, Cody's done got a hold of him. Looks like...
What got him up?
Yeah.
Yeah, he might have been harassed a little bit.
Yeah. But,
I think you're out of the way.
He'd be out for a minute.
I'm down at negative 50 feet.
I was going to run on without going to get him because his daddy's back, but I'm going to get them to come over there because he can help me drag the sucker out.
Yeah.
10-4. If he died last night or this morning, it's crazy.
Yeah. Very cool.
But one bed looks the same though, right?
Oh, yeah? Yeah.
Well, that one, both of us will fall down.
Yeah.
That's one moving right there.
That's me. He's trying to crash us. No, I'm just kidding.
I see.
You probably get the deer and your drone.
Yeah, cool.
You go down some more?
No, you good right there.
He should have came out here last night. He should. No. He said he came this morning, but if he'd have came last night, no, he didn't. He went that morning. Yeah.
He might have pushed further if he'd have. Well, it's hard to tell.
It was a good shot.
There we go. Right there.
Oh, it's cool. You get the freaking horns on the blade.
Yeah.
That's a cool shot.
Something like that. Hopefully it'll be clear enough.
We're getting close now.
Getting close, yep. Boom. Boom. That's kind of cool. A beacon of hope. There we go. He's on it. Right on top of him. There they are.
Sorry to keep you out so long, dude.
No, buddy. That's all right, man. It's an adventure. Just glad we found him. I'm glad there's enough of him to find. All right, bruh. Get my tool.
You'll see how easy this is.
Hooey. And I read that tip
Yeah.
probably months ago.
Dang.
And I've been doing it the hard way ever since.
Yeah.
No more. Dude, that is so easy.
Yeah, that's nice right there.
You don't have to worry about over torquing,
Yep.
which is really nice. So nice. I have to. Sometimes you get that last thread, right? There we go. Perfect. That's awesome.